Hey, it's Dr. Josh. Real quick, a great way to build trust with people who are not yet your patients. AK, when you're doing marketing, workshops, educational series in your community, and you want to make a big impact, as soon as that presentation is over, give people access to a course. This allows them to understand what you're all about, and it allows you to filter out the people who just wouldn't be good fits. So if you're talking to a bunch of people, but you're really interested in women's health and pelvic floor health, then build a course about pelvic floor health. For the people who have that struggle, they'll think this is the solution. This person is an expert. I'd love to see them. And they'll come in. Now, this is really easy to do. Here's what the finished product looks like, right? They can just click on here and a video pops up. Very simple, right? But you can build as many of these as you want within your system here in Trust Driven Care. Why? Because you might have courses you want to provide people in the marketing phase. You might have courses or short videos you want new patients to watch before their second visit. You might have a specialty within a very complicated form of medicine. Maybe you're a mental health provider and you want to have a course all about, specific course for married couples versus teens who are struggling with depression, right? Whatever it is, you can put together as many as you can, and then you can just restrict the membership based on whatever you want. If you want it to be a paid product, you can do that. If you want to just have somebody, they just need to register and they get the course for free, you can do that. It's unlimited what you want to do here, and people love these courses, and it helps make a bigger impact. So one more way to build trust with your community. I hope you find this interesting, but check us out. We offer webinars and products and this software to make it easier to build trust with your patients and grow your practice.